In Liberia, the West African country hit the hardest. Business owners are taking steps to help prevent the epidemic from spreading. CCTV's Katerina Vittozzi reports.
When the car uses the ramp, and the patient will be taken out from the car here, from this main door.
Patrick Morley is helping construct this new Ebola holding centre.
Yeah.
It's where patients with symptoms can be quarantined until they are tested.
And here the car will come, and then they will open the door. Before then they will go in here. But this place is mostly for the nurses. This place will be for the nurses, where they will be having their chemical and so on.
It's taken 5 weeks to build this 12-bed holding centre from scratch and costs more than $60,000 US. The money, the materials and the manpower donated by the private sector.
Right now we have to do it because we want to contain the situation. Okay, as I said before, for the company, I feel happy to do it on behalf of the company and on behalf of our nation.
This clinic is being built on the site of the biggest local hospital, but before its construction, there simply weren't any places for Ebola patients here in the whole county. In fact, they'd have to be driven 8 hours towards the capital, Monrovia, for treatment. Now, there are beds in the county for Ebola patients, but without private sector funding, these clinics simply wouldn't have been built.
No, we never had the means, we never had the funders, we never had the money to build these structures. No. So, I mean, the coming of ArcelorMittal was a huge relief to the county health system. But what the challenge is now is who manage these centers. And so currently, like the one we have at the Ganta Hospital now, we have the staff there, they have been trained, about 31 staff currently working at the ETU in Ganta, but we are in need of partners that will help to run it.
Liberia's own healthcare system is stretched already to its max. Funding for the running of this clinic could well come from the private sector. A new group of 30 West African companies operating in the region has pledged to fight the disease. By giving funding and support to local communities and the government, they want to end this virus as quickly as possible. Katerina Vittozzi, CCTV, Sannikili.